Two thieves in Brazil decided to steal a businessman's safe. Everything was going fine until some fluffy guards showed up. When your opponent's bigger than you, but nowhere near as brave. In case you wanted to know how a cane corso would protect their turf.
Man inside the back of the pillar. Is it the dog? I isn't the dog. The man inside the man want.
From now on, every bear in the neighborhood knows better than to mess with Piper. These guards know no fear and are focused only on their target, and right now it's running away.